Here's what you need to know about what is a VLAN. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A VLAN, Virtual Local Area Network, is a logical grouping of devices on a network regardless of their physical location. VLANs allow a single physical switch to be divided into multiple isolated broadcast domains. Traffic between VLANs requires a router or Layer 3 switch. Key concept: logical network segmentation. VLANs divide one physical switch into multiple virtual networks. Devices in different VLANs cannot communicate directly. They are isolated at Layer 2, even if they share the same physical hardware. Key concept: reduces broadcast domains. Each VLAN is its own broadcast domain. Broadcasts sent by one VLAN are not forwarded to other VLANs. This reduces unnecessary traffic and improves overall network performance. Key concept: trunk ports carry multiple VLANs. A trunk port carries traffic for multiple VLANs between switches using IEEE 802.1q tagging. Each frame is tagged with a VLAN ID so the receiving switch knows which VLAN it belongs to. Key concept: Inter-VLAN routing needed. To allow traffic between VLANs, a router or Layer 3 switch is required. A common method is router on a stick, one router interface with sub-interfaces, each assigned to a different VLAN. Let's look at the full breakdown. VLAN 10 sales, ports 1.8 on switch, subnet 192.168.10.0/24. Isolated from other VLANs, VLAN 20 IT, ports 9.16 on switch, subnet 192.168.20.0/24, isolated from other VLANs. Trunk port carries all VLANs, uses 802.1q tagging, connects switches or router. Native VLAN, untagged traffic on trunk, default is VLAN 1, change for security best practice. Here's a real-world example. An office has one switch but needs to keep sales and IT traffic separate. The admin assigns ports 1.8 to VLAN 10 sales and ports 9.16 to VLAN 20 IT. A salesperson on port 3 cannot reach an IT server on port 12 without traffic passing through the router, even though both are on the same physical switch. Quick recap before you go. 1. VLANs are logical network segments that isolate traffic on a physical switch. 2. Each VLAN is a separate broadcast domain. Broadcasts do not cross VLAN boundaries. 3. IE 802.1q tagging identifies VLAN membership on trunk ports. 4. Inter-VLAN routing requires a Layer 3 device, router or Layer 3 switch. 5. Router on a stick uses sub-interfaces on one physical router port to route between VLANs. That's what is a VLAN covered. Exam tip: know that VLANs require a router or Layer 3 switch to communicate with each other. The 802.1q standard tags frames with a VLAN ID on trunk links. Native VLAN traffic is untagged. Changing the native VLAN from the default, VLAN 1, is a security best practice. Next up, what is spanning tree protocol? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.